Welcome to YouTube. Today I've got something absolutely wild for you. Something that still feels like a dream, but is very, very real. We're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of the decade, the 2025 BMW M9. And trust me, this isn't just another car. This is BMW breaking their own mold. Let's get into it. Now, the M9. This car has been whispered about for years, almost like a myth. People said BMW would never go this bold, never cross into that ultra-luxury supercar territory, but here we are. The 2025 M9 is not just a statement, it's a challenge. A challenge to Ferrari, to McLaren, to Lamborghini. This is BMW showing the world what happens when German engineering meets pure ambition. From the outside, the M9 looks like it was sculpted by speed itself. The design language is aggressive yet elegant. Sleek LED matrix headlights, an aerodynamic silhouette that screams performance, and a reimagined kidney grille that doesn't overdo it. It finally feels balanced. But here's where it gets interesting. The body uses a mix of carbon fiber, aluminum, and a new lightweight composite material BMW hasn't officially revealed yet, rumored to be lighter and stronger than anything they've used before. That's right. They're keeping secrets. Under the hood, or should I say, behind it lies the real beast. BMW has equipped the M9 with a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid system producing over 750 horsepower, 0 to 60, under 3 seconds. Top speed? Electronically limited to 201 mph, but insiders say without the limiter, it pushes way beyond that. This is next-level performance, but here's something not many know. The hybrid system isn't just for efficiency. BMW has integrated torque vectoring tech that lets the M9 corner like a car half its weight. It feels planted, connected, like the road is reading your mind. Inside, it's pure futuristic luxury. A curved OLED display wraps across the dash, integrating the latest iDrive system, voice controls, and even gesture recognition. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, inspired by F1, and the interior materials are all sustainably sourced, because performance now has to be responsible too. There's ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood, biometric seat adjustment, and even a whisper mode that makes the M9 nearly silent in urban areas. Now let's talk about the secret no one's officially confirming only 500 units are being made globally, and BMW is handpicking buyers. Yeah, this isn't showing up at your local dealership. You have to be invited, approved, and basically part of the brand's inner circle. That's the level we're talking about. So what is the 2025 BMW M9 really? It's a power move. It's a flag planted in the soil saying BMW is no longer just about sports sedans or daily drivers. It's the brand evolving, stepping into the exotic league and doing it on their terms. If you're even thinking about owning one, good luck. But for the rest of us, this is the kind of car that fuels dreams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you pick the M9 over a Lambo or Ferrari? Let's talk.